Today, we're going to play Michael Jackson's Moonwalker. I got the idea to play this particular arcade game because I saw this video.
Booyah, this photograph. Every time I do, it makes me.
Used to play Moonwalker a lot with my niece Teaghan. We just thought it was the funniest thing. Every time you drop in a quarter, you get that Hee-Hee noise that he made. In truth, I think Prince was better at that noise than Michael Jackson was. But, you know, Michael Jackson has been known to steal the moonwalk. Not his. Let's get started. Whoosh. We'll start by going through some of this information about the game. Based on the movie of the same name, Moonwalker is a scrolling isometric beat-em-up, which Michael Jackson, along with his chimpanzee, saves children. Dun dun dun! It's a 3-player arcade game, which is kind of an odd number, but whatever. The video resolution is so low at 320 by 224 pixels. So like not even SD. 3 buttons, 3 players. Really bad versions of all the songs. Here's a screenshot. There's the marquee, the little strip at the top showing you what game the cabinet is. And Hee-Hee. I've never seen the movie, but it's on my list. I can't imagine it did anything to help his case. And look at that. It said it was 3 buttons, but it looks like there's only 2. One is shoot and one is dance. Here we go. I'm going to be player 2. Maybe he's red. Let's throw in some coins. Woohoo! Yeah, Red Michael. Whee! Mr. Big, what are you doing? Oh, look at these guys. That was the wrong button, but they've danced themselves to death. Hey, a kid! What would Michael do? Thank you, Michael. Yeah! I got to get the kids! Ooh, I'm bad. He's got a kid, so I go, ow! Danger. In the amusement center. This is where I normally meet the children. Gameplay is pretty solid. Ow, right in the tummy. Ooh, here's health for you. Thanks, little girl. I got something for you, too. Didn't really help, did it? Let's all dance for it. Dance. Dance for me till you're dead. Here's some dance shoes. Donkey Kong. I guess I'll go into the spider door. That's cool. He's got a knife. Oh! Ah! I'm gonna run and grab my coffee while I'm dancing. Nice. Oh! Look at that sweet move. Killed him with a hat. I didn't need the health, but thanks. See, I tried to kill the band before because I kind of figured they were going to come at me. Unacceptable. Unacceptable! Ow! Whoosh. Now you're in for it. This guy's got some sweet moves. It's like karate chopping himself in the dick. Here's some more dancing legs, Robo Michael. Engage. Is this a boss fight? Take that, vacuum. Thank you. Oh yeah, my babies fade to black. We don't need to see that. Calm down. So beat it. Just beat it. Ow! So eat it. Just eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Grab yourself an egg and beat it. Hiya! Hiya! I got some sparks for you! Not a practical device, sir. I thought these might dance, that's why I wasted it. Ooh! Dance for me, robots! What? That one's very aroused. Here's dancing legs for you, sir. Music's so good. I saw that door wiggling, I knew it was gonna open. No, Michael. Robot dogs. I like how you don't actually kill the dogs, they just run away. Same as in Narc, they just turn into little puppies and you feel okay when you shoot them. There is no such thing as a bad doggy, just bad owners. So pick up your dog shit. I should have danced. I should have danced. See you next time. Hey, babies. Ooh, let's get some Hee-Hee. Graveyard. Michael's not picky. Oh, I gotta help you? Little bastard. You'll never catch me. His dancing legs. Got the double dancing. 2 legs for Michael. Why is this inside a building with grass? Zombies. Dance for me. Nice, look at that move. Whoa, whoa. Ow! Oh, I guess I'll just head on down to the Sirloiner, or the Evil Fortress. With the glowing arrows. How could this be bad? Mr. Big! I bet you have another form, don't you? What the fuck just happened? Drugs, man. They're a hell of a drug. The Doomsday Weapon. Gigantic laser. They're smiling because deep down in their hearts, they know that Michael will return one day to share it with them. Ew. Ew. What do we think of that? Controls, terrible. Video game, fun. I genuinely had a blast. However, is cheap. There is no way you could get good. Getting good means having more coins. So I'm glad I can play it here at home on my emulator. But in the arcade, kids, I remember when I was a kid, I was like, Michael. I didn't want him near me or anything. Let's talk about that, actually. I genuinely don't think that Michael Jackson was a pervert at all. I think he was weird, and that weirded people out that he was around kids, but maybe if he had a better childhood and was allowed to have some fun, he wouldn't have had those childlike tendencies in his later years. Anyways, that's all I'm going to say about that, because I know it's controversial and I don't like the drama it brings. So, there's my opinion. Take it, leave it, enjoy it, or don't. Sorry again for the giant delay. I've been very busy. I missed 2 weeks in a row. That's rough. I'll try not to let that happen again, but life is hard. Alright then. See you next time.